Okay, good evening, Dushanti. Last class we have stopped at a summary of data science, and today we are going to see the applications of what are the top 11 algorithms, I mean, top 12 algorithms of data science. So, it involves the use of various algorithms to extract insights from data. Here are the top 12 algorithms used in data science. The first one is linear regression. Linear regression is a statistical model used to predict the value of a dependent variable based on one or more independent variables. It is widely used in predictive modeling and forecasting. That is the topmost algorithm. And logistic regression. Logistic regression is a statistical model used to analyze the relationship between a categorical dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It is commonly used in classification tasks. Decision trees. Decision trees are a type of algorithm used for classification and regression analysis. They create a model by breaking down a dataset into smaller subsets, eventually lead to a prediction. That is called decision trees. I will explain each and every algorithm with the program. Random forest is an ensemble algorithm. It is ensemble learning method that combines multiple decision trees to improve prediction accuracy and reduce overfitting. K nearest neighbors. So K nearest neighbors, KNN, is a classification algorithm that identifies the K nearest data points to a target point and classifies it based on the majority class among the K neighbors. Naive Bayes is a probabilistic algorithm that uses Bayes' theorem to classify data. It is widely used for text classification, spam filtering, and sentiment analysis. Support vector machine. It is one of the classification technique. It is a type of supervised learning that can be used for both classification and regression analysis. It finds a hyperplane that best separates data into different classes. So neural network is one of the classification technique, and it is a type of machine learning algorithm. It modeled after the human brain, like how a human brain is working, same as this neural networks creates artificial neurons. They are widely used in image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and other complex tasks, etc. Principal component analysis. Principal component analysis is a dimensionality reduction algorithm. It is used to reduce the number of variables in a data set while retaining the most important information. Then a priori algorithm. A priori algorithm is one of the frequent pattern mining algorithm. It is used to it defines frequent item sets in a data set and generates rules that describe a relationship between different items. K-means clustering. Clustering is an unsupervised machine learning algorithm used to partition a dataset into K distinct non-overlapping subsets or clusters based on their similarity. 1 second, Amma, somebody joined. So, in
Good
this,
evening, sir.
good evening. In this K-means clustering algorithm is an unsupervised machine learning algorithm. It is used to partition a data set into K distinct non-overlapping subsets or clusters based on their similarities. An unsupervised clustering algorithm that groups data into K distinct clusters based on their features. Neural networks and deep learning. These are the 12th technique in data science algorithms. So it is an inspired by the structure and the function of the brain. Deep learning models like CNNs for image tasks and RNNs, often used with the time series and sequential data, have been especially influential recently. The first technique is a linear regression. I think you might have studied statistics in 10th class, and also we have studied in engineering first year. So, how do we implement linear regression by using Python programming? It is used to calculate the marks within hours. If you study 2 hours, you are getting 60 marks. If you are studying 3 hours, 70 marks, like that. That is the program. Predicting next hour how many marks you are getting. If you study 9 hours, how many marks you are getting, like that. So we are importing the libraries like import numpy as np. Numpy is a Python library, and import matplotlib is a library. PyPlot as PLT, short form. Then input data, define the input data where X represents the independent variable, hours studied, and Y represents the dependent variable, test scores. X is equal to np dot array and Y is equal to np dot array. See, if you study 2 hours, 60 marks, 3 hours, 70 marks. And if you study 11 hours, you are getting 150 marks out of 150, like that. So how do we calculate this linear regression to find the marks within hours? So we are using calculate slope and intercept. Keep in mind, use the linear regression formula to calculate the slope p and intercept a values, like n is equal to length of x and b is equal to n multiplied by np means numpy dot sum of x multiplied by y minus np dot sum of x multiplied by n of np dot sum of y divided by n multiplied by np dot sum of x square minus np dot sum of x square. Then a is equal to np dot sum of y minus b multiplied by np dot sum of x divided by n. So import make so we are making calculate slope and intercept to make prediction for given number of hours studied. Suppose hours studied 7 hours. How do you can calculate? Test score is equal to a plus b multiplied by hours studied. Printf f predicted test score for hours studied test score. Plot the data under regression line. Visualize the input data. Uh, Points and the regression line on a scatter plot. Plot dot scatter of x comma y. Plt dot pl plot of x comma a plus b multiplied by x. C is equal to r. Plt dot x label hour studied. Plt dot y label test score. Plt dot show. So now I am going to execute this program. See. Do you have a system, Dushyanti Venkanna? Do you have systems?
Yes, sir. I have a Jupyter, sir. I have a
Yeah,
Jupyter.
Okay. So by seeing my screen, line by line, you can type Dushyanti. You can open your system notepad. Just create. Go to command prompt and create
yeah,
a notepad. I'm checking in my system. You can
okay,
share. You can share your laptops. I'm going to stop here. You can share your system now.
okay, uncle.
Then type this program linear regression. 1 minute, because we have already completed Python programming. Okay, please share your screen. I'm joining in my system also. Share your screen. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, you can share, Dushanti, you can share your screen.
Yeah, uncle, I'm sharing.
Yeah, yeah. So I want to see your screen so that you can type yes. Quit. You can do quit QUIT parenthesis. Yeah, CLS to clear the screen. Now notepad space. Venkana, you can also same follow like this. Notepad space linear.py. Linear.py. Enter. Yes. Hash. Write a Python program. Ma, you can go to edit and increase the font size, ma. Just go to edit. Font. Where is the font? Yes. You can increase size, ma. 20. Okay. Press enter. Now screen is just open the notepad. Here you can yes. Write a Python program to perform linear regression to find the student's marks. Venkana, you can also type in the notepad. I will tell you how to
Yes, sir.
execute.
Yes, sir.
Right.
I'm going to start my laptop.
Yes, write a Python program to perform linear regression to find the student's marks within hours. Okay. Import, enter. Import space numpy as np. Space np numpy. Space as np. Enter. Import space matplotlib. One second, why it is resound is coming. One second. Okay, now it won't come. Uh, where are you now? Matplotlib dot pyplot space as plt. Enter. Hash input data. Input data. Hash input data. Hash input data. Okay. X capital X is equal to np dot array of. My screen is visible. Somebody joined. Who is that? Frimpong? One second. Frimpong. Okay. So we are doing linear regression. Frimpong, you can open your system. We are executing Python programming. Okay.
Yes, sir. For the
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, no problem. So please see the screen. She is sharing. X is equal to np dot. X is equal to np dot array of square bracket begin. Uh, share your screen. Yes. Now I will tell. Don't worry. Np dot array. Parenthesis begin first. Parenthesis begin. Square bracket begin. 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10 comma 11. Square 11. square bracket close, parenthesis close, enter. Y is equal to, these are the input variables for a linear regression. np dot array, same, np dot array, parenthesis begin, square bracket begin, 60 comma 70 comma 80 comma 90 comma 60 comma 70 comma 90 comma 100 comma up to 150 you can write. 110 comma 120 comma 150, square bracket close, parenthesis close, enter. Hash calculate slope and intercept values. Calculate slope and intercept values. Calculate slope and intercept values, enter. N is equal to length of len. No, len, that's all. Parenthesis begin capital X. Capital X, because X value, capital X. Enter. B is equal to parenthesis begin, n multiplied, n star, np dot sum of sum, parenthesis begin, capital X star capital Y, parenthesis close, minus, parenthesis begin, minus parenthesis begin, np dot sum of X, np dot sum of capital X, parenthesis close, multiplied by, ante star, np dot sum of capital Y, parenthesis close, 3 times, divided by, parenthesis begin, n star np dot sum of capital X star 2 x square, capital X star 2 means x square, parenthesis close, minus, parenthesis begin, np dot sum of capital X, parenthesis close, star 2 x square, parenthesis close, 2 times, enter. A is equal to, parenthesis begin, np dot, A is equal to np dot sum of Y, sum of capital Y, parenthesis close, minus B star np dot sum of capital X, parenthesis close, no, close, slash n, no, backward slash, yes, n, enter. Hash make a prediction, hash comment section, in comment section we are writing make, M-A-K-E, make a prediction for a given number of hours studied, make a prediction for a given number of hours studied, enter. Hours underscore studied, hours, HOURS, hours underscore studied is equal to 7, enter. Test underscore score equal to A plus B star hours underscore studied. Enter. Print parenthesis begin small f double quotes begin form feed actually predict test score write down predicted test score for flower brace begin hours underscore studied flower brace close space hours studied colon hours space studied colon flower brace test underscore score flower brace close double quotes close parenthesis close. Next enter hash plot the data on the regression line hash plot the data under regression line. Enter plt dot scatter parenthesis begin capital X comma capital Y parenthesis close X comma Y parenthesis close. Enter plt dot plot parenthesis begin capital X comma A plus B star X comma C is equal to single quotes R no small r single quote closes parenthesis close. Now we are next plt dot x label enter plt dot x label small x label same country label parenthesis begin single quotes hours space studied single quotes closes parenthesis close. Enter plt dot y label parenthesis begin single quotes begin test score space score single quotes parenthesis close. Enter plt dot show parenthesis close parenthesis begin parenthesis close. Yes. So save the program control S. See now this program I will explain once again. Go to aim of the program. Write a Python program to perform Mr. Venkanna, Mr. Frimpong, please listen carefully. So we have started we have started Python program today. 12 programs I have explained so far. 5:30 every day we will start Indian time 5:30. So write a Python program to perform linear regression to find the students marks within hours. So import space numpy second I got call so import space numpy as np. So numpy is a Python library as np small shortcut we are using np. Import space matplotlib. Matplotlib is for visualization, graphs generation purpose. Dot pyplot. We are using Python plot. Space as PLT. PLT is a short form for matplotlib. Then hash means comment section. Input data. Capital X is equal to np dot array. 2 hours if you study. np dot array 2 hours study 60 marks. 3 hours if you study 70 marks. 80 hours 8 hours if you study you are getting like that. If you study 11 hours if you study 150 marks. Okay, so likewise we are calculating then hash calculate slope and intercept value. You might be knowing how do we can calculate linear regression slope and intercept values. The formulas like this: n is equal to length of x. If you are declaring length of x 2 to 11 means 9 elements we are declaring. So then y, then b is equal to, so b is equal to formula we are using. Then a is equal to formula, okay, b square minus 4ac, like that we are using. np dot sum of y, b square minus square root of np b square sum x to the power of by n. Make a prediction for a given number of hours studied. What is the formula for linear regression, Venkanna? Do you have any idea? Venkanna, in this n and b and a, what are the values? N is the length of the array. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
10,
9,
sir.
10. 10 elements are there. So length
Yes,
is
sir.
10. Then what is b? What is a? Do you know formula for linear regression?
Yes, sir, I know, but here AB separate formulas are there. We have a different formulas.
Yeah, not different formula. Same formula we have written for our convenient.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Then make a prediction for a given number of hours studied. Hours studied, I am predicting. If you 7 hours, how many score you will get? So test score is equal to a plus b multiplied by hours underscore studied. Printf predicted test score for hours studied test score. Plot the data on the regression line like plt dot scatter of x comma y, plt dot plot of x comma a plus b multiplied by x comma c is equal to r. X label hours studied, y label test score, plt dot show. So now Dushyanti, can you execute Amma? Share your screen. Control S, save the program. Yes. Here Python space, she created one notepad file linear.py, Python space linear.py. So file name is linear.py. This is the way we are executing scripting way Python programming. We can write our own program. Enter linear.py. So somewhere else he has written Python spelling is wrong. Yeah, Python space linear.py. Somewhere else you have written wrong. Import. So somewhere else error is there. No module. Okay. You go to just command prompt once again. Where is your command prompt? Here. CLS, clear the screen. Because library is not there. That's why. Pip install pip. We are installing libraries now. This is the way. What is meant by pip? Package installation for Python. Keep in mind. Pip stands for package installation for Python. So pip space install space double quotes begin numpy. numpy. Enter. Wait. It is going to install now numpy package. Package means inbuilt functions. It is downloading now. Venkanna Frimpong, Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries. Keep in mind.
Yes,
Python
sir.
is
Oh, okay.
Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries. Okay. So now CLS, clear the screen. Python space linear.py. Still one more library is there. Pip install pip. Pip space install double quotes begin matplotlib is a library. Matplotlib is a library. Enter. Now matplotlib library is going to install. Now it is installing matplotlib. Under matplotlib, so many visualization graphs we are generating. CLS, clear the screen. Python space, because two libraries we are using in this program. What are the two libraries, Dushyanti? Can you list out by seeing the program? One is NumPy.
NumPy and Matplotlib.
Perfect, Amma. You are so good. You are recognizing two libraries. Python space linear.py. Enter. Okay, still you have typed Python spelling is wrong. Linear.py. Yes, enter. If you study 7 hours, still somewhere else you have written wrong. Can you see the value error where you have written the wrong? Line number 10. See there, line number 10. Value error. Below. Yeah, line number how much? 9? There it's. Yeah. Go to there. Let me check what is the error. X star y. What is the problem? Parenthesis being np dot sum of x star y. Okay. Minus np dot sum of x. Np dot sum of 3 parenthesis divided by 2 parenthesis begin n star np dot sum of x square 2 parenthesis close minus np dot sum of, what is that? Sum of, what you have written, 1 second, I am not finding. Somewhere np dot sum of, wait, sum of x star 2 parenthesis close. Line number 9. Can you check line number 9 whether we are in line number 9? That line number, can you check in the below? It is correct. In that line, okay, can you give space, parenthesis begin parenthesis n star. There you can below. Yes, give space. Again space after star. Okay, then now again come to like that, n star divided by, after that divided by, there you can give space. Yes. Perfect. Now save the program. Control S. Now again go to command prompt CLS, clear the screen. Python space linear.py. X, capital X and capital Y. Can you check whether you have declared capital X and capital Y? Just go to Python programming. Yeah, perfect. Can you give space there? Capital X is equal to above. Yeah. Y against space, equal to space. Yes, below also. Control S. How many how many, 2 3, anything missed? Control S now. Capital X or capital Y? Can you check somewhere else you have declared capital X or small x? Everywhere capital X only. Okay, control S, then run the program.
Sir, in every
Yeah, tell me.
sir, before equal sign, after equal sign, there must be space, sir.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
why we are getting error.
yeah, it's okay. Yeah,
A
that's
is
fine.
equals to B is equals to N is equals to
Yeah,
before space, sir. These
yeah,
statements.
yes, correct. Below also you can give. It's not
A is
mandatory,
equal.
but okay. Save the program. Control S.
Now it's correct.
Now run the program. CLS, clear the screen. Now run the program. Yeah, Python space, same line where you are getting okay. In that line, you can go to, you can give space after x square minus some minus is there na, there before and after you can give the minus. Yes, in the last also in the same line. Yes, it is unable to trigger. Control S, save the program. In the below also, yeah. Okay, CLS, we will check because Python shows some indentation errors.
Sir, in
Python's.
B formula, A formula also, before operator and after operator space, sir.
Yeah. Let me check. Yeah, below.
In
Yes,
A, sir.
below, ma. Below. A is
A
equal
A
to,
formula.
yeah, formula.
After minus and before
Yeah,
minus.
come to right. Yes.
Yes.
And B also, after B, star is there, na? Yes.
Sir, after division also, sir. After division.
After division. Yes.
Before division.
In the above also, ma. Above, yeah, there also. Now control S. See, yeah, now control S, save the program, run. Python space linear.py. Oh, same line.
Sir, before star, after star space is not needed. Before star, after star space is not needed. But before minus, after minus, sir.
Where?
B is equals to N into sir.
Yeah. Check that line in that Python linear regression. ఏనా సాకేత్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్న అయిపోతుందండు 5 minutes మళ్ళా చేస్తా. ఏం మొహం చూపించకుండా అయిందిరా నువ్వు? నాదెందుకు కనపడలేదు, నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా. సరేలే మళ్ళా చేస్తా, నేనే చేస్తాను, వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడమ్మా అమ్మతో. నవ్ రన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అమ్మా. Dushanti, now still that error is coming.
Yeah, uncle.
Same error, huh?
Yes, uncle.
1 second. Do one thing. I am sharing this code. Same program in the WhatsApp. You can copy paste. Let's see.
Okay.